दोन घेता ती कोला वयता ती कोला वयता
Yesterday, after the case was registered, we had formed multiple teams, and all the teams they scanned the area and did combing operations. And in the wee hours today, that is in the morning hours, we were able to arrest both the assailants who were involved in yesterday's case. Their names are Shubham Singh and Shailesh Gupta. They are natives of Uttar Pradesh and they both live in Mumbai. They work in as a crane operator and as a part-time driver respectively. And they came to Goa on the invitation of one of their friends, whose name we are further investigating into. And then they had visited the place twice on around 7th and 8th of July, and one was yesterday. It was on a pretext of purchasing a property from the deceased, and on that pretext they had called the deceased and his friend. Postmortem the deceased has been done today, and we have also subjected the vehicle to the official examination. And we have recovered a few articles from the vehicle that includes the empty cartridges and the fired lead. And we have got police custody remand of both the accused for 7 days. So they are being further interrogated, and we hope to make the whole story clear. The motive is being ascertained, and the persons, there is a possibility that more persons are also involved in the conspiracy. And once we put all the pieces together, we will share the details.
सर, ये सुपारी किलिंग का प्रकार था या इसके पीछे अंडरवर्ल्ड का हाथ है क्या, मतलब उस पर थोड़ा है?
As I said, let us interrogate both the accused properly, thoroughly. Only once we ascertain all the details and the motive, then we will be able to share.
So how long they have been in Goa, sir?
As I said that they came twice. They had met. They were meeting the deceased for the second time. So they had come earlier also, around 7-8 days back.
सर, और भी कुछ लोगों को इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए कलंगुट अंजुना से लाया है क्या?
अभी because they had stayed here, so we are investigating into all of their activities while they were in Goa, so as to ascertain the details of the planning and the motive.
So beside these two accused, main accused, how many are arrested right now?
Sorry?
और
Beside
कितने हो
और
सकते
कितना?
हैं?
मैंने जैसे कहा कि अभी हम पूरा उनको जो सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स हैं उसको हम सबको मिला रहे हैं, उसके बाद ही हम शेयर कर पाएंगे। और मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया कि कुछ और लोगों की भी इसमें गिरफ्तारी हो सकती है।
सर, एक्यूज ने कहीं कहा है कि उन लोग उसको मारने के लिए आए थे, क्या कुछ खटपट हो गया और उन्होंने उनको खून कर दिया, क्या है?
नहीं, वो इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि वो एक बार जब पूरा हम सीक्वेंस बना लेंगे उसी के बाद शेयर कर पाएंगे।
But they have confessed to the crime.
Yes, they have confessed.
Thank you.
Did they say how much they were paid for this contract payment?
That I will share with you once we interrogate them further. They are on their way from the remand.
have you contacted? They have come from Maharashtra, right? So do they have any past crime records? They are history sheeters.
That we are finding.
Okay. You said one person had invited them.
Yes.
So basically had given the contract. So that person you have already got hold of that.
No, we know that name, but I cannot disclose that.
Is he a Goan?
I cannot disclose that yet. Okay.
Is he the main accused or there is one more?
Only once we ascertain all the details and the sequences, then only we will be able to share with you
By when?
the motive and the motive preparation and the previous and subsequent conduct of both the suspects.
By,
So-
by when?
So
I
weapon.
hope as soon as possible.
So excuse me. The weapon which were used for a shoot, that weapon was attached.
No, not
Recovered?
yet. Not yet. Not yet.
सर 7.1 mm का बुलेट है बोल रहे हैं, मतलब वो कट्टा तो नहीं है, तो किस तरह का पिस्टल है सर?
No, once it is recovered, only then I'll let you know.
It
But it is
was not-
7.62 mm.
7.62 mm.
Yes, the cartridge that we have recovered.
But weapon is not recovered.
Not yet.
Thank you.